So, here's Bea Valera. And one candy. One candy.
Candy.
Here.
Ano flavor to?
Apple. Bigay sa kanya ng crush ko. She gave it to me.
She.
Actually, hindi ko alam kung crush ko siya o sadyang... Kasi
Hindi.
hindi...
Bakit lang?
Hindi siya mabait eh. Yun eh. Hindi siya mabait eh.
Challenge ka.
Feel ko.
Ano? Tara? Sama na kayo!
So, we are now with Bea Valera. Hey, babe! Ang dami mong mga kids na followers. Mga bata talaga na.
Yeah.
Yun yung demographic mo eh.
May naano nga ako eh. Nakakabahan ako.
Why?
Kasi personally, alam ko hindi ako, alam mo yun, aminado naman sa sarili ko. I'm not like the best role model for kids.
But do you want to be one though?
I'm trying to be now. I never wanted to be one, but because nandito na, I'm trying to be one because I don't want these kids to think na being bad is cool. Or being...
Because it's not
cool. Or being like a badass who smokes and blah 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 is cool. Kasi yun yung uso ngayon, yun napansin ko. Uso ngayon maging bad girl. Or maging rebel, ganyan. Kasi pina-perpetuate ng music, culture, music videos. I mean, what you see in music video, it's just a music video. We're not really like that. Hindi ako sumasama-sama kung kani-kanino lang. Kasi baka mapatay nga ako sa huli.
For Bea Valera, meron ka bang parang list or something na mga
meron.
guys to avoid?
As in, aral ko na yan. Hindi dahil malandi ako, pero dahil hindi, I'm not the type na itatago ko na I only had one boyfriend. I'm not like that.
Okay. How many boyfriends have you had?
I don't know.
Madami. Masasabi ba natin madami?
For my age?
For your age, yeah.
For this country, yes.
This country, yes.
For this country,
That is
yes.
the answer. For this country,
Yes. Because in other countries, it's normal.
ewan ko ha, ako kasi ha, I've only had 4.
Mm-hmm.
And,
Ako kasi ako eh, I'm a hopeless romantic.
well, okay, sige.
As in, parang ako, sobrang hopeful kong tao na I want my fairy tale ending.
Fairy tale ending.
Yeah.
I think naman most
And
girls...
late ko na siya na-realize na hindi totoo yun. So, yeah.
Alright, so nung mga panahon pa na naniniwala ka pa sa pagiging super hopeless romantic at sa mga fairy tale endings.
Yung ilalaban ko kung patayan.
Oo. Ano yung mga nakuha mong lessons?
If a guy hits you once, he'll do it again.
Okay, if a guy hits you, he will do it again.
He will do it again. Trust me, even if he says sorry, even if he says he's gonna change, he will do it again. Kasi once na nakuha niya na yung guts na magawa yun for the first time, paano pa kaya for the second and the third? Right?
Okay.
So, yun. So I've been through an abusive relationship before. And it just, parang, it hurts more than cheating.
Can you just, is it okay if you share lang like a scenario na para lang makita nila na okay, yung parang paano nangyari, like kunyari magkasama kayo ngayon, parang he just hit you, gano'n?
Like one time my ex borrowed my car. Ang pagka-uwi basag yung to.
Okay.
And
Bakit daw?
may nabangga daw siya ng tao, may nabangga daw siya ng lasing.
Okay.
Basag yung dito. So, pag-uwi niya, I had to make an excuse sa dad ko na ako yung may kasalanan para hindi siya malagot, di ba?
Yeah.
So, I made them an excuse, iyak ako ganyan. Tapos, iyak ako ng iyak sa kanya, sabi ko, I let you borrow my car, tapos ganyan. Tapos, he hit me. Sabi, hindi ko makasalanan na. Tapos, sinapak niya. Wow, ha? Sinira mo na yung kotse ko, ako pa yung sasaktan mo. Ganon.
Kapal ng
Kapal.
Alright, so yung tipong ganon, and it happened, sorry to,
It happened when I was Siguro kasi parang in the back of my mind, I knew how pathetic he was. And how pathetic, more pathetic he will be without me. So, awa.
So kaya ka nagstay?
Yeah.
Alright, it was...
Hope. Tapos may parang kumakapit ako dun sa last string of hope na he might change, he might grow up.
He might.
He might.
But
And then ultimately, he cheated on me.
Wow! So nananakit na nga, nag-cheat pa sa'yo.
Yeah.
Wow.
With a friend.
With a... Oh. Triple awa! Sorry Friend pa!
See what I go through in life.
So, you never hit him back naman, no?
I did.
Pero that's in self-defense.
Yeah, that's in self-defense. Ang masama pa nun, he had friends, right?
Uh-huh.
He had friends who would always go to my house. And he'd beat me up in front of his friends. And his friends wouldn't do anything.
Okay. I am sorry.
So I guess they travel in packs. Douchebags travel in packs.
Douchebags travel in packs. Okay, so ganun na.
Yeah.
So, na-mention mo na nag-cheat pa siya sa'yo with a friend.
Yeah.
Wow.
And everyone apparently knew about it.
Except you.
Except me. And everyone was like hanging out in my house every day. With no one telling you. But after that, that I was single for like 3 months before I met Ron.
Ron Henley.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero dun sa 3 months na yun, na single ako, that was like the best time of my life. Met a lot of new friends. Tapos parang sobrang support lang talaga sila sa akin.
Yeah, because what you went through.
Yeah.
It's any other type of guy that they should avoid?
Guys who are too pushy when it comes to sex.
Too pushy.
Alam mo yung kasi naka-encounter na ako ng ganyan eh. Do you love me? Let's do it. Let's do it. Tapos parang sobrang kulang na lang sabihin niya, let's do it and tomorrow I won't call you again. Kuha mo talaga yung vibe eh. Alam mo yun? Alam mo talaga when a guy is just saying that just to get into your pants.
Yeah.
Ay, isa pang guy na dapat iwasan. Guys who try to keep you a secret.
Guys.
Alam mo yung tinatago ka niya? Yung kayo lang pag kayong dalawa lang. Pero in front of other people, parang hindi kayo magkakilala.
Wow. Okay.
Yun. A lot, parang uso siya ngayon apparently.
Anong uso siya ngayon?
Uso siya ngayon kasi I get like questions on Twitter na parang paano pag yung guy parang sabi niya secret lang daw kayo.
Pero love ka niya.
Pero bakit kailangan secret?
Yun nga, love ka niya pero secret mo na kayo.
Bakit secret, diba? Unless may girlfriend siya.
Ano pa?
Guys who always leave you hanging. Oh my god. So close to home. Sorry.
Yun na lang, guys who leave you hanging.
Yeah.
Yung bigla na lang mawawala na parang mula.
Woo! God.
Yung biglang sasabihin na lang sa'yo, I don't love you anymore eh. Pag ganon, sige, ako na lang mag-aano niyan. Dahil too close to home, sabi mo na, na-experience ko na kasi din yan. Yung tipong, gumising lang ata siya nung araw na yun at sinabi, hindi na kita mahal eh. Ayoko ni. Ang sagot lagi doon is, okay, tas move on. Mahirap, oo. Pero, kailangan ng girls matutunan yung art of self-respect.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Diba? Hindi nakasalalay sa lalaki o kung nasa relasyon ka o kung wala kang love life o meron, yung happiness mo, yung self-worth mo.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kasi what I realized is na parang when you're heartbroken, you just have to do something that you really like. Parang hanapin mo yung totoong happiness mo. Tapos ma-realize mo, pag nahanap mo na yung totoong happiness mo, ma-realize mo na hindi lalaki. Hindi, maliit na part lang yun eh.
Oo. Parang icing on the cake na lang siya, kumbaga.
Parang bonus na lang kung may love life. Pero, ang dami ko kasing napapansin ngayon na like, high school kids right now, ang main focus nila, sinong boyfriend ko, sinong crush ko, sinong yan. Na isang kong din regret nung high school kasi baliw din ako nung high school kaya
Paano ba diyo? Share.
Nag-high school ako madaming drop ako ng drop. I'll either get dropped or get kicked out kasi hindi ako pumapasok.
Bakit?
Rebelde kasi ako. Pero, kulang, hindi, I'm not blaming anyone for my family, but it's just, parang, kulang ako sa guidance. Kulang ako sa guidance kasi diba, I grew up without my mom. So, finally, nung pagdating ng teenage years ko, parang, shit.
So, bale, since palapit na kami bumaba ni Bea, dahil magpa-park lang ako, tapos bibili kami ng ganitong napakaganda. Ayan pala! Oh, sa St. Francis kami pupunta. Proof lang na hindi kailangang mahal, hindi kailangan dapat...
My outfit right now, this thingy that everyone seems to like, this is only 400 bucks.
Oh, see? 400 pesos.
Because I don't buy from Forever 21 or Topshop or Zara because I don't have money. So, I only buy from Ukay or Changi.
Changi. Oh. Pero tignan nyo naman yung style. So, ang proof, ang ibig sabihin yan is you cannot buy style or fashion sense.
Yeah, and also I do my hair myself.
Nice. Oh, di ba ikaw lang nagda-dye ng hair?
Yeah, I dye my own hair because it's cheaper.
Way cheaper. Pero anong ginagamit mo?
I use Manic Panic. It's from the States.
Okay.
It's like 700 a bottle, but it's worth it if you really want this crazy color effect.
Crazy color effect. Pero sa tingin mo, pakulay ako ng hair? Kasi I've never done it eh.
Do you want to?
Pwede din, para maiba. Pero, ewan ko, kasi diba, natatakot ako eh.
Bakit ka natatawa? Feeling mo sisira yung hair mo?
Feel ko masisira.
Ang ganda ng hair mo nga, girl.
Ay, thank you.
It's nice. You have healthy hair. Na compared sa akin kasi siyempre sobrang sunog na yung buhok ko, kaka-bleach. So, I bleach my hair every 2 months. So,
Haba ng hair. Joke.
Nag-regize ka ba? Girl!
Ay! Kapo. Sabay pa tayo eh.
Ano kayang itsura nun?
Oh my gosh, hindi seryoso gwapo.
Oo nga eh.
Parang naman niya kumain ng turon.
Turon ba ka na?
Turon yung kinakain niya. Alam mo ang cute
Ano yung itsura niya? Parang siyang Adam Levine-ish.
Na medyo Liam Hemsworth.
Oo, Liam Hemsworth. Wow.
Wow. Habulin natin.
Traffic eh. Hindi pwedeng umatras.
So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa St. Francis Square. Kung saan tayo ay bibili.
St. Francis Square. Tama ba?
We've got it all for you.
Hindi ba yun yun?
Hindi. Pero hindi ko kasi alam yung...
St. Francis Square.
Yun ba yun?
St. Francis Square. Yeah.
Wow!
That's my next single.
St. Francis.
St. Francis
Square.
Square.
St. Francis Square! So ngayon, we have to say goodbye to you guys. Pero do watch out for another... Sasakay ba ulit si Bea Valera na?
Gusto ko eh.
So, kung...
Sorry. If you guys subscribe
and talagang mag-tweet kayo and mag-comment kayo na we want Bea on My Universe again, we will definitely listen.
Do it again.
Yeah.
But only if you guys want.
Kung gusto nyo lang.
Gusto nyo lang. You know, we wouldn't want to force anything on you guys. Pakipon.
Kung trip nyo lang, di ba?
Kung trip nyo lang, kasi ako lang.
Kung hindi, di ba? Parang nakakalungkot. Pero sige. Alright, so, we have to say goodbye to you guys because we have to get something ang kukunin niya. So, sana hindi masyadong masakit sa bulsa ang araw na ito para sa akin. So,
pero I'm warning you, ang daming magandang stuff.
Yun lang talaga.
Okay.
Hindi talaga pwedeng iba.
Okay.
So, kakain na kami, magme-merienda kami. Gusto ko ng siomai. Balita ko may siomai daw dito.
Oo. Master siomai. And magkasarap ko ng jacket.
And we're gonna do a little, super little shopping.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Not even shopping, just like one thing.